everyone! I'm Momo Panda. Welcome to my classroom. Let's learn and play together.
In a tiny little town where the circuits shine lives a robot kid named Tinku-9. He wakes up every morning with a beep, beep, boop, brushes metal teeth and does a happy loop. Welcome to Techno Town. Lights are all around, buttons go click and wires go zoom. Gadgets giggle, screens go ping. Everybody sings the Techno tune. Tinku meets his friend, a tablet named Tia. She draws funny faces saying nice to see ya. A drone flies by with a whir whir whiz, dropping tiny sparkles like digital fizz. They hop on a hoverboard, glide through the air, zoom past the clouds with electric flare. Everywhere they go, pixels glow bright. Techno Town is shining like a rainbow light. Welcome to Techno Town. Lights are all around, buttons go click and wires go zoom. Gadgets giggle, screens go ping. Everybody sings the Techno tune. They visit the lab where the code trees grow. Each leaf is a number that softly glows. A friendly AI owl says hoot hoot hey. Let's learn something new in a fun tech way. Robots dancing in a circle line, charging up their batteries, feeling fine. Smartwatch claps with a tick-tock tap. Laptop joins in with a clap, clap, clap. Nighttime comes with a neon moon, singing lullabies in a gentle tune. Tinku-9 yawns with a sleepy beep, and all of Techno Town drifts to sleep. Good night, Techno Town. Stars are shining down, dreams go float and clouds go zoom. Robots whisper, see you soon. Tomorrow we'll sing the Techno tune.